Yeah, no. Ooh.
Screws.
Yeah. So is it going on a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah, really.
I'm gonna be famous?
Yes, you're gonna be famous.
Hi guys,
In the famous screw unpacking video.
Guys, I am Silly Butts. Am I allowed to say what I am?
Yeah, you're my butt. You're my sister.
Yeah, there you go. And
And my butt.
And we are the Silly Butters.
Are you? This box is different colored than the rest. This one's.
Wait, comparison. Ooh.
Why is that one
It's a
that
different
and that one's
race.
that? It's like the thing that painted the cardboard got like old. Oh no, it's assembled differently too. What? What's up with this box?
Are these ones old or something?
I don't know. This box is weird.
Let's have a look at the screen.
Oh, ooh. Wow.
Look at that screen.
Hard.
Sorry, this is not my video.
Oh, this one's
Yours.
not. This one's not taped together. This one's just here, but it still has the same stuff in it. Screws.
That was not good enough.
So.
No, yeah.
Screws. Screws.
Is it not full yet? Your phone is heavy.
Yeah, it's an older phone.
Is this actually going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Really?
Not really. Yes. It's prime.
When? Or is it
Screw
gonna take like a
unboxing
month?
content.
It's gonna take a month and I'm gonna have to log in every day to post it.
Good job. Excellent job.
Look at all those things.
Alright, last box.
Is it falling apart at the bottom?
I hope not. It would really suck to have these spill all over the floor. Oh wait.
Would it hurt? Not as bad as Legos.
One last.
So very tiny. Finger comparison. Put your finger.
Dip your finger in them. I need to make sure that none of these have like extra screws just dangling out.
Okay, that looks weird. Stop throwing the boxes. Oh my gosh.
You told me to stop, so I did it more. So that's what brothers do. Nope. Alright, that's all of the screws.
Have they seen your shirt?
It's all the screws.
Look at.
Yeah, they've seen the shirt, except for
Yeah.
those screws and those screws and
Wait,
those
oh my
screws
god, you
and those
almost
screws.
smashed my hand. What is this? Why is it so
Those
massive?
screws.
Why is there only 2 of these?
Because these ones are metal. This is metal of that. And they cost like $2 each for some stupid reason.
Kind of metal?
Bling.
No, it wasn't supposed to be a bling. It was supposed to be a guitar, like
Bling.
metal. Okay, then.
There's the screws. Screws.
Yeah.
Hey, you can turn it off now. Thank you.
This is actually going on YouTube though.
Yeah.
I don't believe